Auto dealers have told us the #1 reason they send their staff to the NADA show is to attend workshops. This year, 16 of the workshops are being led by expert NADA instructors. Let's take a look.
We're sharing some glimpses into the core program for Professional Series this week. I think it's important because I typically ask a dealer, why did you promote somebody to manager? And they share with me, because they were really good at what they used to do. I'm like, exactly. That doesn't mean they're going to be great at what you just promoted them to do. So the Professional Series program is great because we give them a plan. They come, they see me, we spend 2 days teaching them all the valuable tools, all the valuable metrics that they might need to run that department profitably. I, right out of college, worked for Ford Motor Company for 8 years, but I really wanted to run my own dealership. So I left to go retail. I didn't have a program to go to. And so what I love about this program is that it provides an opportunity to prevent potential new managers from having to make all the same mistakes I made and to learn much faster how they can improve their business, how they can hire the best employees, how they can control their inventories and their expenses.
To find out more about workshops, check out our NADA Show app.